Hi there folks, and welcome to the What Solutions for this week's The Daily Rigour, issue number 314. So first of all, straight from the film Armageddon Odd Deep Impact, well not quite, we've got an asteroid the size of an elephant, not New York City, passing Earth in one of the closest encounters ever. In fact, it passed only 3,540 kilometres above the Earth's surface. Now, to give you an idea of that kind of distance, in real life we've posed a wee problem. I don't know if you know this, but Riggerman's family originally came from Sicily. It's the largest island in the Mediterranean Sea and is located just off the toe of Italy's boot. So what you have to do first of all is to estimate the distance between Glasgow and Sicily. So based on that estimate, which do you think is shorter? The distance from Glasgow to Sicily or the height of the asteroid above the Earth's surface when it was at its closest point? Well, the answer is Glasgow to Sicily is closer, but only just, and that's because the actual distance is 3,388 kilometres, and you can see that it's quite close to 3,540. So well done if your estimate was anywhere near close to the correct answer. Okay, on to a sports story. So, despite a valiant effort by Andy Murray in the earlier rounds, the Australian Open has been won yet again by Novak Djokovic. So, he's now joined with the amount of Grand Slam titles that Rafael Nadal has won, 22 to be precise. So we want to know how many times Novak Djokovic has won the French Open. So basically, he's won 22 titles altogether. So he's won 10 Australian Open titles, as it tells us in the question, and he's won 7 Wimbledon titles. So if we add them together, we get 17. And if we take that away from the total number of Grand Slams that he's won, that'll leave us with 5 left. So we're told here that he has won one more US Open title than French Open title. So obviously that's got to be a 3-2 split, which means that he's won the French Open 2 times. Okay, so on to our entertainment story. So Beyonce has had her comeback performance taken to the stage for the first time in 4 years. So for her 1 hour 25-minute concert, she was paid a staggering $24 million. So how much would this work out per minute Beyonce was on stage? Well, we've got a 24 million, and we're going to divide that by the number of minutes that she was on stage. So that's 60 and 25, that's 85 that we need to divide by. So that comes to $282,000, $352.94. Now, what would this equate to as an hourly rate of pay? Well, if that's for 1 minute, there's 60 minutes in an hour, so it's going to be 60 lots of 282,352.94. So that comes to $16,941,176.40. So hopefully she's not going to blow it all in Dubai Mall, which is actually a fantastic shopping experience. Okay, so on to our final story from the world of money. A man sells a rare 50p coin for 2,500 times its monetary value. So it's an Olympic swimmer breaking the surface of the water. Maybe look down the back of your couch, but you'll probably not find one because there was only ever 29 ever made. So how many sides does the coin have first of all? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So what name is given to a polygon with this many sides? So that would be a heptagon. And how much did the man sell the coin for? So 29 times, so 2,500 times its monetary value. So 50p, which is 0.50, and we need to multiply that by 2,500. In other words, it's just a half of 2,500, and that comes to £1,250. Not bad at all, but not quite Beyonce money. There you have it, folks, our What Solutions for this week. We hope you enjoyed solving these problems, and stay tuned for next week's edition when we'll be looking at more stories from the news of the week and the numbers behind them. But in the meantime, thanks for watching, and bye for now.